Okay. It's been about a year since I last did a take of this elevator. But hey, here you are. And yes, thank God it's still the same section. So this will be the elevator at ground 1 at the Millcreek Mall in Erie, Pennsylvania. You can't hear me because it's a little loud. Yes. Okay, up to 2. Look at old Otis logo. That's kind of cool. Wait, do they got music in the elevator now? No. Elevator 3. Okay. I'll be coming in here later. I'm going to try out the bowling alley. Indicator. Oh, yeah, it kind of barely lights up. Here we're up on 2. That's where the bowling alley is, right there. This place is fucking awesome. I think this occupies the whole upper level of this part. Okay, going down. Thank God they kept this thing original, for the most part. I mean, this was always here as long as I can remember. Well, that's a slap-on though. That's pretty much... The only slap-on mods they did here was like emergency fire, maybe change out the indicator and the stuff like that. But other than that, this is pretty much all original. Down on 1. Mall is over there. Let's go up to 2. I don't want to get a copyright though. Okay. Oh, listen to that. It's quiet. I think the next stop, the elevator I want to film is the one in Macy's. It's the only other original Lexan in the mall. Apparently this is the 10th largest mall in the nation. Okay, let's go down to 1. It's going down by itself, yeah. Cab view. I mean, they redid the cab and stuff though, but other than that, this thing's pretty much original from like 74, 75. Here down 1. I'm going to need to replace the bulb in this part of the indicator. I think this is a button actually. Echo. Okay. I want to meet up with Mom and see what's going down. Oh, it parks in 1. Okay, that's cool. Open. You have to... It works. It's a black button. Wait, is it automated?